Willy sizzle. What an absolutely beautiful day to cook chicken kebabs. Beautiful tree, beautifully manicured bushes. If we don't find the place we're looking for, Irene Martha Haraway, she might be able to help us out. We're on a cycle route and I'm looking for a specific spot. This isn't quite right. We're here and we should be down there. We're not lost, just having a happy adventure. Here's the correct path. This is amazing. Let's take you under the bridge. No traffic jams here or here, and the graffiti looks happy. Nature's really happy it's spring. Nature just knows it's springtime. All along here I can hear the little birds. They're getting rather excited and a tad frisky. It's Easter holidays at the moment and it's really busy down here, which is understandable. On the embankments of what used to be railway lines, it's always fascinating to see all these ferns grow. It's almost like they've gone back to the dinosaur era. And there'll be a Tyrannosaurus Rex jump out at me at any moment. Maybe not a Tyrannosaurus Rex. It'd be more like a dog looking for me chicken kebab. Disused railway lines turned into cycle paths and recreational areas. It's the way to go. We've gone past the place I was looking for, but that's absolutely fine. We've come across this. It's closed at the moment. It's only open at weekends, but I wonder if we can have a wander on the platform. There's nothing to stop me getting in. There's Marjorie. There's a model railway here too. All aboard for the Sanford and Banwell model railway. Better make sure I shut the gate. The reason I'm here is because I found a map online and it showed me a specific place which looks as though you can have barbecues. There was no other reference to it anywhere online. So I'm checking out these little byways and sideways just to see if I can find anything that resembles a public barbecue area. Looks like we could be out of luck. However, we have found where Mr. Thatcher keeps some of his lovely apple trees. Apologies if you're from anywhere other than the West Country in England. Mr. Thatcher makes really good cider. Just in case you're wondering, I'm not trying to be cool with my sunglasses on. I just want to stop the sun from burning my eyes. As there's no specific barbecue area, what we're going to do is find a nice little spot and I'll put the gas on and we'll still have some chicken kebabs. I found this little spot here which has all the potential to be a nice little spot to have a cook up. We've got a lot of little children just over there and I don't like filming too much when kids are about. And over there somebody's going a bit mad with power tools. So I'll have a quick drink and we'll move on. We're at the backup bench. Thank you, Irene. As the barbecuing idea didn't quite go to plan, I'm going to keep that idea for another time. And today we're going to be cooking on gas. For today's plan B, I was going to try something a little bit different. We've got the little Firebox gas stove with the spreader plate on the top. On top of that, I was going to put this plate just to stop the legs from moving and going all over the place. It's got nice little grooves in there. I think that will be useful for what I want to do. And then, some of you may have seen I've been using this titanium chopping board. I was going to try and use him like a hot plate or a plancha. You're probably sat at home now thinking this could go wrong in so many ways. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Let's find out. Willy sizzle. Unbelievably, he seems to be working.
Good boy. Come on.
He's got far more interesting treats over there.
Come on. Yeah. Good boy.
Sorry? Like chicken kebab sort of things with vegetables. Had a feeling I was going to attract some little doggies. Not surprising really, is it, when we got some succulent chicken on the go. The smells coming off that marinated chicken and vegetables is absolutely mouth-watering. Okay, I'm going to be completely honest with you now. I thought that this was all going to stick onto the titanium, but it hasn't. Got a nice little bit of caramelization going on. Oh, look at that. This is the way forward, people. Slow cut meat and vegetables on a little plancha, or in my case a titanium cutting table. Wash off my tongs. I haven't put a massive amount on that titanium cutting board because it's turned into just a little cooking experiment, because it was nowhere near what I was supposed to be doing today. But it's always good to adapt and find other ways of doing things. I must say I'm really pleased with this little bit of cooking. This is the plan B. Just imagine what plan A would have been like if I'd have managed to put it off. It would have been absolutely awesome. That little piece of courgette is really, really juicy. So what I'm doing, I'm using him to baste me chicken, just by giving him a little squeeze, getting that juice out. I've just turned the gas up to finish him off. It hadn't actually occurred to me to check to see if this was cooked. Cut a piece of chicken in half and have a look. Oh, just look at that. That looks amazing. I think the secret to this is marinate your meat Make sure your meat's nice and juicy before you put it in the heat. That applies to your vegetables as well. Make sure your big hard courgette is basting in juice before you put it in the heat. I must say this has gone far better than I could ever have imagined. It's amazing how you get those silly ideas in your head and sometimes they actually work out. I was just thinking, I bet some keen cyclist has packed a cheese sandwich for his cycling adventure. Wonder if it's better than my chicken. Probably not. To all my subscribers and regular viewers, thank you so much. To all my new subscribers, thank you as well. And to anybody who's decided to check out my channel after being recommended by Not Dead Yet, I hope you enjoyed it. And to everybody else, don't forget to like, subscribe and hype if you like. Washing up shouldn't be too much of a problem. It just needs to soak. Got loads of chicken left over. Oh, that's better. See you later.